Hello again, this is Wes Cason with RE/MAX Gold, located in Charlotte, North Carolina. Today we want to talk about property management and how every company is different. They are not all the same. There is a notion in property management that all property management companies are the same. Nothing could be further from the truth. We are not a commodity like sugar or coffee that you buy on the future stock exchange. Every company is different. Every company has a different philosophy. Every company has a different approach. And you need to find out what's the philosophy of the company that you're talking to, and if they really care about your property or if it's just another widget to them. Every business, not just property management companies, have their own unique culture. That can be a good thing and that can be a bad thing. At RE/MAX Gold, our company culture is one of helpfulness. We choose our staff to be helpful and folks who are really going to care about the job that they do. It is not just another job to them. And I, as the owner of the company, also own 18 rental properties. So therefore I know what it's like to be an owner. And I want our culture here at RE/MAX Gold to be that of helpfulness in serving our clients. We set our standard of service off the golden rule, and we want to treat our clients and customers the same way that we would want to be treated ourselves. We certainly are not perfect, but we strive every day to give a good as gold experience to our clients. If there's a situation where we fumble the ball, we own it and we'll make sure to make it right with you. One of the other ways that companies are not the same, some use technology and some do not. At RE/MAX Gold, we are on the cutting edge of technology and we use it to be more efficient and provide better service to our clients. Some firms do business the way they've always done it. Other firms look for changes to make things better. We are not afraid of making a change to better serve our clients and our customers. One of the ways that we use technology is through AppFolio. AppFolio is a cutting-edge technology that allows us to manage our properties from almost anywhere, even from our smartphones. Tenants make their rent payments online through their tenant portal. Owners are paid directly to their ACH bank account, and their financial statements are sent to their owner portal so that they can see them at any time. And repair requests are sent directly to our cell phones so that we can manage the repairs efficiently and effectively. With Rently.com, we can show properties more efficiently and quickly, and therefore we can get them rented faster, saving the owner money. So it's very important to use technology that's out there, and it can make things a whole lot easier for everyone and provide a better level of service. Another way that property management companies are not the same is what I call nickel and diming. There are some firms out there that will quote you a very low rate, but then they charge you for every little thing that they do. At RE/MAX Gold, we don't do that. We charge a tenant procurement fee and then a monthly management fee. We do not charge extra for writing a lease, for renewing a lease, or making property inspections. All of those are included. We do our best to try to keep it simple with no surprises. So when it comes to communication, not all PM companies are the same. We like to go the extra mile by providing a handbook to our tenants as well as our owners, so that we're being forthright and upfront and helping to establish what our policies are so that there are no surprises. Not only do we offer the handbooks, but we also have the portals for online access, so tenants and owners alike can reach out to us. One of the things that you'll want to know for sure is the availability of the property management company. Some firms work from 9 to 5, Monday through Friday. Some of them even close half a day on Friday. So therefore, they're only available to answer you during those hours. At RE/MAX Gold, we may doze, but we never close. We're always accessible, and there's someone always on call after hours, and we can be reached by email, telephone, or by text message. Regarding requests that may be urgent, if it's an urgent matter, we will respond immediately. If it's non-urgent, we definitely will follow up on the next business day. Availability is very important, and that's one complaint that we hear a lot about other firms. We do our best to be available and to be timely in our responses to you. If you have any other questions or you want to get to know us a little bit better and see how we're different from other property management companies, please call our office. We'll be happy to talk with you.